Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do a review about me, myself and Piemont for the V6, and this video was requested by I Prank the Fool, so go check out the channel, yeah, and subscribe to him, and to me of course. So, as you know, the V6, when you buy it, it is very creaky and it's not good at all. And if you do the entire mod, part mod, then this cube is amazing. It's just done smooth, it's not creaky, it doesn't pops. My V6 never pops. That's very good. And yeah, I did all the mods, but just the last one I didn't. The one with the pins. I didn't put in the pins. So, but yeah. I like my V6 how it is. It turns very good now. Let's do a quick checkerboard. So here it is. Yeah. See, now it's out of alignment. Yeah. So yeah, I suggest you to do the entire mod so that your V6 is perfect. So yeah, soon I will have some unboxing videos for you. I have 2 orders coming in. One is from Cubicon.de. I ordered a stack mat and a timer, and I got another order from popbuying.com, and I'm not going to tell you what I buy, so you'll have to wait and then watch the video. So yeah, bye and subscribe to me, please.